cleaning up now? Good boy. Clean them all away. Putting them all away. Good job, buddy. Those are pretty big. Are you going to get them in there? It's a little bit tricky. Good. Good. Say cheese. You're busy. Oh, I don't know if that drawer's going to shut. It's kind of full, huh? Is that your last one? All right. Are you going to be able to shut the drawer? We'll see. What do you think? Yeah, it's pretty full. What are you going to do? Can you move it over? Oh, are they just all going to come back out again? Yep. There they go again. There we go again. This could keep you going all night, huh? Busy, busy boy. And here we go again.